Hey everybody, welcome back to the drag strip. If you guys remember from my last video, we used this to test the effectiveness of the Honda Ridgeline's braking capabilities against a big wall of boxes. And as if you guys seen that video, it didn't work out as well as planned, and that is because the sensors just could not register that density of a box, and possibly also the additional shape of it may have also added to the poor response that we saw on that test. So we are now going to try an alternative solution. This time we have aluminum foil, but not just any type of aluminum foil. This is very dense shipping container foil, and this should allow the vehicle to at least see density. I think the way that this system works is that it sends off like a radar, and it bounces back as long as the object is dense enough. So this is fairly dense, so we're going to go ahead, we're also going to test it against the sensors and see if the vehicle will actually pick up this material. And this time we're going to make a car-shaped box as opposed to a big wall. So let's go ahead, let's build this contraption, let's get started. So first things first is I'm going to take out, and we're going to test out if the vehicle is going to pick up this foil as it gets closer to the vehicle. I'm just going to stand this up right now. I'm going to turn on the truck, and then I'm going to put it in reverse and see if that's going to register or not. So it is registering that there is an object behind, and it is showing up on the camera as well. So at least for the rear, it's working. Now let's just double check that it works for the front as well. And it is working on the front as well, showing that the front left is seeing some sort of obstruction. So will it stop in time to not hit the obstacle? Only one way to find out. So there we have it. Pretty big wall of aluminum foil. Not really car shaped, but at least I think it's generally the shape. You know, it's somewhat of a oval, circle, square. I don't know. Anyways, let's go find out if this right here will be enough for the truck to register, and that we can actually see and test out how good is the automatic braking from the Honda Ridgeline. All right, so we're just gonna go for it. Still have my doubts. All right, we're gonna go 25 miles an hour. 3, 2, 1. And it did not register it. Man, why not? Well, that is total fail again. So at 25 miles an hour, it was not enough to register this obstacle in the road. Let's try and maybe make it more compact. Let's try again. It started reading it towards the very end, but I don't know, just wasn't soon enough. Let's make sure that these sensors don't have anything blocking them. I guess we're gonna have to just try it one more time. Okay, so more dense. Will it work? Didn't work yet, so don't know if it will work. It was looking somewhat promising though. There towards the end, it just wouldn't actually turn on, or at least stop braking. A little disappointed that it didn't do it the first time, but let's see if second time's the charm. Hopefully made it a little more dense. Now the actual structure of it is actually way more car shaped. So 3, 2, 1, 25 miles an hour again, cruise. All right, 25 miles an hour, here we go, come on. Hasn't registered yet. So no, has not registered that again. Interesting. So it registers that there's something there and it tells you that you need a brake. However, it's not actually hitting the brakes, because if you see, I don't know if you guys can see in the camera, the actual icon for the vehicle never actually lights up. So it can register whatever this is as an object on the road, but it's not something that is still either not dense enough, or I don't know what the deal is. I for sure thought that this would work. Maybe it's too reflective. Have no idea. Alrighty, third time's the charm. If it doesn't work, aluminum foil does not cut it, at least for density. Maybe we need more aluminum foil. 3, 2, 1, 25 miles an hour again. Nope, does not want to register it. So there you have it, guys. The Honda Ridgeline is not capable of registering aluminum foil, and this is very dense aluminum foil for that. Much more dense than you would have at home. So Honda Ridgeline sensors, I guess 0 for 2. Hasn't been able to register something even more dense, and I guess I got to figure out what the next step is to figure out how to get this vehicle to register an object. I mean, it's registering it. We can hear that it's alarming me, telling me to brake. However, that vehicle icon never actually lights up the screen. So you have that trace of the vehicle when you're in cruise control. So it's usually supposed to light up, but for some reason that doesn't light up, only braking. So maybe if that icon could get lit up, it would register and potentially start doing the braking. Right now it's just kind of like, hey, there's probably something in the road, you need to start braking as an alarm. So if somebody has a better idea in the comments, what's the next step? Maybe we do more aluminum foil. I still have plenty more where this came from. So if that's the next step, well, I guess we're just gonna make a big, massive, giant ball of aluminum. But other than that, I wanna hear from you guys in the comments what you guys think might be the second, or I guess the third attempt to make this test a reality. Alrighty, so there you guys have it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Leave a comment down below so I know exactly what you guys are thinking for potentially other ideas or ways I can improve these videos, and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all the latest video releases. Thank you for watching.